Hello kids, welcome back to our Maths channel, and today's topic is expanded form. We are going to learn the expanded form of double digit, which means it will show how much each digit actually represent. Each digit means this is one single digit and this is separate single digit. How much does it value? In this 95, how many tens are there? That is, how much does this 9 value and how much does this 5 value? Okay, ones value and tens value we are going to learn in this expanded form. That means you are going to break a double digit number into tens and ones. You will write tens value and you will write ones value of whichever number is given to you. Let's see this. First example, 110 plus 01. This is the expanded form of 1010. So, it can also be written as 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Here 110 is equal to 1010 as we have learned in the previous video, and 01 is equal to 0. And here when you observe this number, 0 is in ones place, so we have written 01. 1 is in tens place, so we have written 110. So next example is 110 plus 1 which is equal to 11. So 110 plus 1 is the expanded form of 11. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. This is also right and this is also right. Here in ones place you can see 1. So we have written 1 and in tens place we can see 1. So we have written 110 also here. Let's move to the third example. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12. This is the short form, or this is the expanded form of 12. 110 plus 2 ones is the expanded form of 12. Here 2 is in ones place, so we have written 2 ones. 1 is written in tens place, so we have written 110, and it can be also written as this: 10 plus 2. This is tens number, this is ones number. Let's move to the next example. 110 plus 3 ones, which makes 13. That is, in 13, 3 is in ones place, so in expanded form we have written 3 ones. 1 is in tens place, so we have written 110, and it can be written as 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Both are correct. This is the expanded form 10 plus 3. Let's move to the next. Expanded form of 1414 is 4 is in ones place, so we have written 4 ones. 1 is in tens place, so we have written 110. So 110 plus 4 ones is equal to 14. It can be written as 10 plus 4, which is equal to 14. The next example is 15. So the expanded form of 15 is 110 and 5 ones. That means 5 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. It can be written as 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. Let's move to the next example. Correctly guessed, it's 16. So the expanded form of 16 is 110 plus 6 ones. That means in this number, ones place we have 6. So we have written 6 ones, and in tens place we have 1. So we have written 110. It can be written as, now you are going to say 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Are you sure? I don't know, because the answer will be revealed in a second. Let's see whether your answer is right or wrong. Wow, correct. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Very nice. So, you are gaining your confidence to break the number into tens and ones. That is the expanded form of any double digit number. So, correctly guess, the next number would be 17. And in 17, 7 is in ones place. So, we have written 7 ones. 1 is in tens place, so we have written 110. So 110 plus 7 ones is equal to 17. So this is the expanded form of 17. Guess the next expanded form. Next means the same thing. The next form of this. How can you write this in a different way? 10 plus 7. Sure. I don't know. You have to guess, and I'm just going to show you the answer. I'm going to reveal the answer. If it is right, you can dance or cry. It's up to your answer now. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. This is what you thought, so you can dance and pet yourself. What would be the next number? 18. Perfect. So in 18, the expanded form is 110 plus 8 ones. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Very nice. Let's move to the next. 110 plus 9 ones is equal to 19. So the expanded form of 19 is 110 9 ones, or 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Both are correct, and what you thought is also correct. 10 plus 9. Next is 20. Now here you need to be very careful. The logic is same, but you have to be very careful to write the number. Otherwise you can go wrong. In ones place you have 0, so you are going to write 0 ones. In tens place you have 2, so you are going to write 2 tens. And remember, in previous video we have learned 2 tens is equal to 20. And in ones place we'll have 0, so it's 0. And the other form can be written as this. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. And here we have not written 0, because even if we write 0 or even if we don't write 0 here, it doesn't make any difference, because it's a 0 in ones place. Even if I add here 0, it's okay. Even if you add here 0, it's okay. Not at all a problem. Next is 21. So the expanded form of 21 is 2 tens and 1 1. 2 tens plus 1 1. And it can be written as 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 makes 20 plus 1, because here in ones place we have 1. Let's move to the random expanded form. Random means I'll take any number, any double digit number, and we are going to see how do we write the expanded form of that. Let's see the examples. 22 is the number in that this 2 is in ones place, so we have written 2 ones. This 2 is in tens place, so we have written 2 tens. That means in this 2 tens there are 2 times 10. 1 10 and 2 10. So 10 plus 10, which will make 2 tens, that is 20, plus 2 is equal to 22. So it can be written as, when we add 10 plus 10, we get 20. So that is 2 tens. 2 tens, as we have learned in previous video, 2 tens is 20. So we are going to write 20 plus 2 ones means 2. So this is 2. 2 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 22. 26. In 26, 6 is in ones place, so we have written 6 ones. 2 is in tens place, so we have written 2 tens, which means 2 tens plus 6 1 is the expanded form of 26. In 2 tens, there are 2 times 10, so we have written 10 plus 10 plus 6, which is equal to 26. When we add 10 plus 10, it makes 20, or you can say 2 tens, that means 2 tens, or you can say 20 plus 6 ones, that means 6. So 20 plus 6 or 2 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 26, and both of them are the expanded form. "42. In 42, 2 is in ones place, so we have written 2 ones. 4 is in tens place, so we have written 4 tens, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 42. Why we have written this 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10? We have written this because in 4 tens, 4 times 10 comes. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens. So we have written 4 times 10 plus 2 is equal to 40. So it can be written as 4. When you add this 4 tens, you get 40. 4 tens is equal to 40 plus 2 ones. 2 ones means 2. So this is the expanded form of 42. This and this both are same, similar. Next, 56. In 56, 6 is in ones place, so 6 ones. 5 is in tens place, so 5 tens. 5 tens plus 6 ones is the expanded form of 56. This is the expanded form, which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 56. Why we have written this many tens? We have written this so many tens. This is because of this. In 5 tens, there are 5 times 10. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10 and 5 10. So this 5 tens is equal to this, or it can be written as 5 tens is equal to 50 plus 6 ones, that is 6. 50 plus 6 or 5 tens plus 6 ones is the expanded form of 56. 81 is the number given to us. So we are going to see how it has been expanded. 1 is in ones place, so we have written 1 1. 8 is in tens place, so we have written 8 tenths. 8 tenths plus 1 1 is the expanded form of 81, which means in 8 tenths we have 8 times 10 plus 1. Let's count. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 8 tenths. So we got 8 tenths and 1 1. So it can be written as 8 tenths means we are going to write it as 80 plus 1 1. That means we are going to write here 1. 80 plus 1 or 8 tenths plus 1 1 is equal to 81. These two are the expanded form of 81. Next is 31. So in this 1 is in ones place, so we have written 1 1. 3 is in tens place, so we have written 3 tenths. 3 tenths plus 1 1 is the expanded form of 31, which means there are 3 times 10 in 3 tenths, which will make to 30 plus 1, which is equal to 31. So I can write this as 3 0 30. 3 tenths means 30 plus 1 1 means 1. So this is also the expanded form. This is also the expanded form of 31. All are same. Thank you for today. Bye bye. Keep smiling.